ìyẹn Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Tinubu is not dead. It was the former head of service in Lagos State, Alhaji Rauf Tinubu, that is dead at the age of 75 on Wednesday in Abuja. It is not Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed, ìyẹn Aṣíwájú Èkó, not Aṣíwájú Yorùbá o, ìyẹn bọ̀dá Bọ́lá Ahmed onígòlójú, àwọn kọ́ ló kú o. Ẹni tó kú Rauf Tinubu ló kú o.
Inú mi dùn láti fún yín ní ìròyìn ayọ̀ o. Àwọn ọ̀tá wa ti ń borí wọn o. Àwọn ọ̀tá wa ti ń borí wọn o. Ọlọ́run ti bá gbẹ̀mí ọ̀tá àwọn tó ń disturb ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Ẹ kọ́ rí níyàn Tinubu ti lọ o. Tinubu ti lọ, ti kú sí ìlú Dubai. Ìlú Dubai lèmi wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bá, ó ti kú sí ìlú Dubai. Ìròyìn tó ń kàn wá ní sí nìyẹn o. Ẹ kọ́ rí níyàn o. Ẹ kọ́ rí níyàn. Adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ láti ń borí àwọn ọ̀tá. Èpè tó ń gbé wọn ṣẹ́, gbogbo èpè tó ń gbé wọn ṣẹ́, ó ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ wọn lórí. Tinubu ti lọ, ti kú sí ìlú Dubai lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ mo ṣe ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ẹ kọ́ rí níyàn o. A dẹ̀ máa borí ọ̀tá wa, la máa délẹ̀ lérí sí ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run, a máa délẹ̀ lérí. A máa borí ọ̀tá wa, la máa rẹ́rìn pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run. Ó kọ Ọbásanjọ́, wọ́n ṣe.
Hello my people, now welcome to my channel. This is Maureen Gist TV. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you for joining me. For all my returning subscribers, I say God bless you guys. Thank you so much. My people, my correct country people, rumor just come out when it rain say news then just break out to breaking news say Tinubu don gbeme. So I saw the news, I said no, let me do small research before I go chook mouth, because me, one of the things wey be say I say I go try my best to make sure say I not just say because of say I dey find view, then I go just decide to bring news where be say I never really dey sure of. So when I see this whole thing, I say okay, let me go find out and touchlight this matter, whether actually Tinubu gbeme or e no gbeme. But the fact is that there's a particular Tinubu when he gbeme. This Bola Ahmed Tinubu no be him die. Yes, no be him. Now another Tinubu, according to the first audio one I listing. So my question now is that from the way this whole thing they go for this country, why be say if all these politicians there then get issued or then die, why be say the masses they rejoice, or the masses they even they pray, say make bad thing happen to these people? My people now not say this Bola Ahmed Tinubu now be the former Lagos State governor and now be the chairman of the APC political party. Yeah, this man one of the see so now in day behind those toll gates gbege, those tailgate gbegerity when it happened on October 20, where they take by a lot of Nigeria citizens. So because of that one, a lot of people not just like the guy at all. Because of that thing when happen, most of Nigeria youth, they don't want to take here say this man they exist. So when this whole thing come and say Bola Tinubu die, so a lot of people then they happy say make it gbeme. When I know say this Bola Tinubu Ahmed, he gets this political ambition. He want to become the president of this country 2023. That is what is the political ambition. But a lot of people no just happy say all these old men where be say they're supposed to don't go, they relax, they follow their grandchildren, they play. Then when they come out again, say they want to lead this country, they want to become president. After they don't be governor, they don't be they don't even hold all manner of political posts. But still, their eyes still there for to become the president. So and I know say as this Yoruba Oduduwa nation be where we say, then they agitate, say they want to get their own country. Somebody like this Tinubu, where we say na be the one of the leaders for Yoruba land, he don't okay the something. He no agree. So all those then Sunday Igboho, all those people where we say that they fight for Oduduwa Republic, they no go support Tinubu. That is why as you they see them so, they pray say make all of them Lego. So my people, oh, the koko of this whole matter be say this man no actually die, but e get the time wey be say dem carry rumour say him dey for France, him dey sick. Make you see say the way this our leaders dem bad reach o. No be say the money to build better hospital no dey this country o, but how the poor masses go benefit from this whole thing. I no know why we can't get very very selfish leader. I don't know why God bless this country with everything, natural resources and human resources, everything complete, but the thing wey be say e can't have this country na good leaders wey be say dem no care. Their own make dem pile up money, carry money go dig sock away, bury, start to dey keep money, just dey bury the dollars, dey keep money wey one person go thief for this country, money wey one politician go thief for this country. Each generation no go chop and finish. Which kind life be that one? You as a politician, you go thief money when e be say your great grandchildren dem no go work again, dem go just come. Wetin dem come do life be that? The person the way God create this life be say human being must work before e eat. So you wey be say you be greedy politician, you go thief the one wey be say you go thief, bury for sock away, or go put am for foreign account. They say your children no go suffer again. Why not allow your children when their turn reach, make dem hustle for their own? Why must you go and thief government money keep for them? And that is why bad thing dey happen to all these politicians wey dey see so. Bad thing begin dey happen to them because the way that they treat the masses. No be good road now na do, no be good education. All of una children, all of their children, as una dey see them so, na abroad dem dey school. They don't go buy correct house for their children for abroad. Their children dey school. But one thing wey I know be say one day, this sun wey be say e dey shine for both for the poor man and the rich man. And the same thing, because e get the way this country go be. Even you wey be say you be rich man, your children, because all these una children wanna carry go outside the country, go keep dey train them. Because the insult wey be say that they receive for outside country, one day they go tell una say, Papa, we want to come back to our country. We can't continue to be a stranger in another man's country. That time una go know wetin una do una sef, because they go finally mix up with those people wey be say una deny access to good education, and una go hear we. And all this thing wey be say dey happen now, una dey see the way the whole thing dey happen every day. Wahala. Even all these big men na escort now that they take waka, because una no go fit waka freely, because the state wey be say una keep this country, people are hungry. As people dey hungry, na so they go dey do bad thing. So my people, na the thing when I say make I bring come for na be that the rumor no be true. Bola Ahmed Tinubu never die. He dey alive. So na so it just be, my people. In case you never subscribe to this, make you hit the subscribe button or make you click the bell notification for more updates. Have a nice day. Bye.